When you want sunshine to brighten up your day, but you find the clouds rain on your parade. Don't forget somewhere, someone you may not know is thanking God for the rain to make the